Excel has Fuzzy Lookup add-ins. Microsoft makes one. There are others in the store. They are free or cheap. So why would you need anything else? For quick lookups on small tables, they work, but they all share the same limitations. Every Excel add-in is stuck inside Excel. ExisEcho connects to Excel, CSV, SQL Server, Postgres, MySQL, Access, and Google Sheets. Here's the big one. Excel Fuzzy add-ins match records between two tables. They're lookup tools. ExisEcho finds duplicates within a single table. That's true deduplication. Word order, John Smith versus Smith, John. Add-ins see completely different strings. ExisEcho recognizes they're the same person. 95% match. Phonetic matching. Stephen with a PH and Stephen with a V. They sound the same. Add-ins miss it. ExisEcho catches it with a built-in Soundex and Metaphone. And here is the game changer. Add-ins give you match results and say good luck. ExisEcho gives you 3 outputs. Color-coded groups so you can see what matched, a duplicates-only list for review, and a final deduplication list, clean data, ready to use. And here is the full picture. Excel add-ins are free or cheap, and that's great, but they're all stuck inside Excel. If you need real deduplication, word order matching, phonetic matching, database connections, or a clean deduplicated output, you need to break free from Excel. Excel add-ins are fine for quick lookups. For real deduplication, you need to break free from Excel. Try ExisEcho free at fuzzy-logic.com.